Hey ladies, I wanted to show you guys how to enter in grades. When I was playing around with the grade book, I remembered a quicker way that I found last year at the end of the year when we went virtual. So if you click on Teacher Access and then you go to My Gradebook, you're going to click on Standards Gradebook. In the past, we used to click on Quick Grading and then we had to manually type in down each row a grade. Well, whenever we went virtual and we had to override grades, we found that if you go off this main page, and let me get scrolled over, if you click on this little, how this is underlined, if you click on this, you can mass assign a grade. So for instance, this is tardies and or early checkouts are affecting progress towards kindergarten level standards. Well, I don't have any friends that are ever late, maybe once in a blue moon, and I don't really have kids ever that check out early. So I'm going to mass assign in to all of them because I don't feel like tardies or early checkouts are affecting my kids in a negative way. And so as you can see, when I did that, it assigned an in for all of them. And if I hit save, you'll come over here and see they put ins for all of my friends. If I come over to attendance and absences, I'm gonna, are attendances and are absences affecting the progress? I'm going to say no because most of my kids are already out, but I do have one friend that missed quite a few days, so I am going to say that I do believe that his attendance is affected, his progress this 6 weeks. So I'm going to hit save, and again, same thing. You can do this for every single one. So if you have one friend, the majority of them, maybe they're all receiving twos, but you have a few of them that maybe he deserved a 3 or he got a 1 based on his assessments. It's a little bit quicker than having to, go down each individual row and change the grades. I'm going to get back out of this. So quick, easy, just click on it, mass assign the grade, and then change the couple that you need. If you have any questions, please feel free to holler at me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a good night, ladies.